scientists find seed that could treat cancer. Look what seed is. Awesome! Cancer is the plague of modern times, and scientists spend millions of dollars in their effort to find a cure for this deadly disease. In this video we give you the results of a research carried out by forwarded experts from the University of Kentucky. Their findings confirm that cancer can be treated with the help of several alternative therapies, and given to one of them. The latest scientific discovery showed that grape seeds have the power to destroy up to 80% of abnormal cancer cells. Yes, the same seeds some tend to spit when they eat the grapes. Can you believe this? Today, the world is a success with this research, and experts was commissioned to advertise in the American Association for Cancer Research magazine. Share this revealer with others and help people understand that the cure is in their hands. Being well informed is one way to prevent illness and maintain optimum health. Cancer spreads at a tremendously high rate, and it takes millions of lives every year. Although scientists spend millions of dollars every year, their efforts still bring nothing good for us. As we said, the cure is so close to us, but the pharmaceutical companies do everything in their power to keep it hidden. Despite their efforts to close our struggle, we decided to spread the word, and the promise of people who will come better times. Now that research is available to the world, cancer patients can save their lives. Although scientists have revealed several possible cures for cancer, millions of cancer patients die every year. With luck, things are going to change here.